Hello everyone, we are a team of 6 members. I am Parul Agarwal and here are my teammates. So the topic chosen by us is designing a minimalist launcher for elderly that will be an app which will redesign the features of Android phone and will make it easy to use by elderly people. So our product name is Elderly Space Minimalist Launcher, a minimal Android space interface for elderly people. So there are 7 C's of innovation which we have covered in our blog, namely cause, context, comprehension, check, conception, crafting, connection. So when we talk to elderly people, we got to know that elderly are not that acquainted to the modern technology phones, so they face a lot of difficulties while operating them, mainly because of the endless functions which the smartphones contains. So when we gain more insights on the topic, we got to know that there are a lot of difficulties faced by them, like they use only 3 4 apps and not more than that, and also the keyboard is also not in their native language. The font size is very small, due to their weak eyesight, they are not able to see it. So there were a lot of problems faced by them, and we also identified that there are a lot of launchers present in market, like block ratio, less phone, Niagara launcher, but they all are not suitable for elderly people as they are not designed for them. They are basically designed for kids or the other people, but not elderly. I'll handle to Palak now.
So, as Parul mentioned, there are many points that elderly are facing while using smartphones. Like there are too many functionalities which they don't use in daily life. They usually use calculator, calling app, contact saving, camera, WhatsApp, etc. The major problem faced by them are because of their vision problem due to aging. Their eyesight issues have been there because of which they are unable to read properly, so they need to change the font size which they are unable to change because they are unable to find setting app. And so second major problem which they face while using smartphone is that they use English by default, be in the keyboard for typing messages or the setting and the general instructions. uh, Elder people are not familiar with words such as edit, registration, etc. So they are usually familiar with their native language, which they regularly use. Based on all this, we have made a checklist which we what we should include in our minimalistic launcher. Minimal interface with only essential apps for easy navigating. Second, easier access to settings for changing language. Options to increase the font size like A plus, A plus plus on notification bar. Fourth, the keypad is in native language with auto-complete word completion. Fifth, user-friendly design. Sixth, quick search option on home screen. So now handing over this to Garima.
So now we continue with the conception part. So we have collected many concepts. We have ideated over many concepts of each interface like home screen, all apps option, keypad, settings app, lock screen, contacts app, and messaging app. And then we have finalized some of the concepts in a final prototype whose key features are easy navigation so that elderly do not face any difficulty while using with their fingers. We have tried to keep the font size of of all the app icons and of all the numbers and digits and alphabets slight bigger so that elderly do not have to strain their eyes. There is not much scrolling needed in our prototype as most of the things are available on single click, as we have tried to remove all the unnecessary steps which are there in normal Android phones, which are not even used by the younger generation. And also we have designed the keypad of our prototype in a different way. First of all, we have kept the size of all the alphabets in a larger size, and also we have We have made the keypad in alphabetical order and not in QWERTY order, as elderly find it difficult to find the letters in QWERTY keypads. Therefore, we have made it an alphabetical keypad. And also we have given an option of change language where elderly can choose their native language and then can chat with their loved ones freely in their native language. Then we had shown our prototype to the elderly whom we had talked earlier, which will be covered in our connection part, and it will be taken by Parul.
So we know that the most important part of any product is it the customers. So we talked to a lot of customers and we gain their views. We collected their views on the launcher. So they told that they are very happy with the launcher, as the launcher contains very large fonts and also the battery is visible nicely. Like they can see what the percentage of battery is there, and they also gave us one suggestion that they like to read newspapers a lot. So if the launcher can contain a newspaper app which will also have the fonts bigger font size. So here we come to an end of our project, that is Elderly Space Minimalist Launcher. Thank you.